Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Many people wonder where the toolbar is in Gmail. Unlike older email programs, Gmail does not have one fixed toolbar always visible at the top. Instead, Gmail uses smart, contextual toolbars. These toolbars only appear when you need them, based on what you are doing. For example, if you are looking at your inbox and want to manage emails, you first need to select one or more messages. Just click the small checkbox next to any email. As soon as you select an email, a new toolbar instantly appears right above your list of messages. This dynamic toolbar contains many useful icons. You will see options like archive, delete, mark as read or unread, snooze, move to a different folder, or apply a label. These options help you organize your inbox efficiently. Similarly, when you are writing a new email, a different formatting toolbar shows up at the bottom of the Compose window. This toolbar gives you tools for text formatting, like bold, italics, font changes, and attaching files. It also lets you insert links or emojis. The same formatting toolbar appears when you reply to or forward an email. So, remember, Gmail's toolbars are not static. They are dynamic and appear precisely when they are most relevant to your current task. Just interact with an email or start a new one, and the right tools will pop up for you. This design keeps the Gmail interface clean and simple until you need a specific function.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.